How to turn off Google Messages on Android. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as it helps the channel grow. So there are two steps that you need to follow. They are very quick and simple. First, you open Messages. On the top right, click on your profile icon. Once you click on the profile icon, here you'll find multiple settings, but you have to click on Message Settings and you have to click on RC Chats here on the top. Once you click on RC Chats, you have to turn off the RC Chats. Once you turn off the RC Chats, automatically your Google Messages will be turned off. The second step that you need to follow is go back and go to Settings. Once you go to Settings, you have to click on Apps. You have to click on Messages, and here you'll find an option on the top right of uninstall updates, and once you click on uninstall updates, then you have to click on force stop. Once you click on force stop, automatically your Google Messages will be turned off on Android. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.